In this section, I will demonstrate the complete workflow of domain registration and FTP access configuration using email communication within our network. First, the developer sends an email to the registrar requesting a new domain name. This email is sent using our configured mail server under the domain lnbti.com. At this stage, the registrar server is our DNS and DHCP server. With the IP address 10.20.30.51, the registrar logs into the mail account and checks the received request email. Before this process, we had already created a DNS record inside the DNS server. This record maps to the domain lnbti.com via the web server IP address 10.20.30.54. After confirming the DNS configuration is correct, the registrar replies to the developer confirming the domain has been successfully registered. After receiving confirmation from the registrar, the developer now sends another email. This time, the email is sent to the hosting server administrator requesting FTP credentials to upload the website files. The hosting administrator logs into the mail account and checks the developer's request. Then, on the web server machine with IP address 10.20.30.54, the administrator opens FileZilla server. Inside the FileZilla server, we go to server configuration and then navigate to rights management. Next, we open the users section and create a new user account named developer. After creating the user, we set the native path to the htdocs directory of the web server. This ensures that the developer's uploaded files will be stored inside the web root directory. We then assign the necessary permission including read and write access. Finally, we apply the configuration to activate the FTP account. After successfully configuring the FTP account, the hosting administrator sends an email reply to the developer with the FTP login details. The credentials provided are host 10.20.30.54, username developer, password 1234 and port number is 21. This allows the developer to securely connect to the web server and upload website files. This complete the full workflow. The developer successfully requested a domain from the registrar, received DNS confirmation and then obtained FTP credentials from the hosting server. This demonstrates the integration of mail server, DNS server and FTP server within our network infrastructure. Now we will move to the database configuration, remote access setup and website deployment process integration with our network infrastructure. First, on the MySQL server with IP address 10.20.30.53, we created a new database named StudentDB. Inside the database, we created a table called Students to store student records required for our web application. Next, we open phpMyAdmin. We navigated to user accounts and selected add new user. The username was set as new user. For the host name, we entered the present symbol which allows access from any host within the network. We set the password and confirmed it. Then under global privileges, we selected all privileges to grant full database access permissions. Finally, we click go to create the user account successfully. After creating the database user, we configured Windows Defender Firewall to allow remote MySQL connections. We opened Windows Defender Firewall with advanced settings. Then we navigated to inbound rules and created a new rule. We selected port and specified port number 3306, which is the default MySQL port. We allowed the connection, click next and named the rule as MySQL. Finally, we completed the configuration to enable remote database connectivity. Next, the developer configured the database connection file inside the website project. The database connection details were set as host 10.20.30.53, username as devuser, password 1234, database name student_db. This allows the web application to connect to the remote MySQL server. Now the developer opened FileZilla client to upload the website files using FTP credential provided earlier. We click Quick Connect and successfully established the FTP connection. Then we uploaded the website project files into the htdocs directory of the web server. After uploading the files, we moved to the client PC in the web browser. We entered. The website loaded successfully through the DNS resolution, confirming that our web server and DNS configuration are functioning correctly. Finally, we demonstrate the CRUD operation of the web application. First, we created a new student record. Next, we edited an existing student record and confirmed the update. After that, we deleted a student record and finally we displayed all student record to confirm the read operation. This proves that full CRUD functionality is working successfully between the web server and the remote MySQL database server. In conclusion, we successfully configured and integrated DHCP, DNS, mail server, FTP server, web server, and MySQL database server within our network. We demonstrated domain registration through email, created FTP access for hosting, configured remote database connectivity, and deploy a dynamic website. Finally, we verified full CRUD operation using the domain lnbti.com, confirming that all services are properly connected and functioning correctly. With that, we conclude our playlist. Thank you for watching.